Hey y'all, Mr. Kyle at MyersMathematics.com, and two truths and a lie. What? You've played that before, right? Two truths and a lie? Alright, so here's how it goes. I'm going to tell you two truths and one lie. You got to figure out which one it is. I'll tell you at the end of the video. Alright, number one, my hair is really blonde. Number two, my favorite subject in school was math. And number three, I'm 32 years old. Alright, so what does that have to do with factoring? Alright, so check this out. Alright, this works for these crazy factoring problems that we got here. So let's say we got something like this. Alright, so 2x squared. Let's do this. Let's do 7x plus 3. Alright, so if you watch my first video, you know the first thing you do whenever you factor is you look for a GCF. Alright, what can I factor out of all three of these things? Each of them? Nope, they don't each have an x. Look at that. 3 doesn't have an x. Okay, so we can't factor that out. This one's a 2, it's a 7, it's a 3. They're all prime numbers, so there's nothing. Right? So step 2, trinomial. That's what I got here. It's got 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So here's what you got to do. Two truths and a lie. Well, this one, since it's a trinomial, I'm going to factor. It's going to have 2 factors, so it's actually going to be 1 truth and 1 lie. Right? It just depends on what you're factoring. Normally when you're factoring this kind of thing here, this trinomial, it's going to have 1 truth and 1 lie. Alright, so I'm going to do 2 times 3. That's 6. I need factors of 6 that give me 7 when I add. So the most common thing would be 2 and 3, right? But if I add those, get 5. Alright, so that doesn't work. Well, what else? Can you think of anything? Huh, yeah, that's right. How about 1 and 6? Look at that. Boom. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. It works. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take this, 2x, don't put a square on it, just put 2x, but you're going to do it twice. You're going to do it twice. Alright, so 2 of them. One's a truth, one's a lie. Alright, then you put your factors in there. Alright, so the 1 goes right there, 6 goes right here, and there we go. Can you tell which one's a lie? Which one's a truth, which one's a lie? Alright, you got option 1, 2x plus 1, option 2, 2x plus 6. Did you figure it out? It's this one right here. You know why? Because it has a GCF. We just checked for a GCF. There is no GCF, so this is lying. He's a liar. Alright, so it is. You go. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Alright, divide it by 2. Right? Divide it by 2, it gives you the truth, and the truth will set you free, my friends. So, we're done. That's it. You just did it. Alright, let's do another one. Let's do one more. We have time for one more. What do you think? So let's do 3. Ooh, I'm gonna use a 3. Plus, let's see, plus 4x minus 7. Alright, so true truths and a lie method. We're going to multiply the 2 numbers still, so negative 21. I want factors of 21 that subtract to give me 4, because I have to multiply a negative and a positive to get 21. So we already got 21 by multiplying 3 and 7, so let's try that. 3 and 7. Hey, that works, because I have to make one of these negative, so if I make the 3 negative, then this is the same thing as 7 minus 3. Right? So that equals 4. Boom, there we go. Oh, sorry, positive 4. Equals positive 4. Boom. Alright, so 3, make 2 of them. One's the truth, one's the lie. Minus 3 and plus 7. There we go. Alright, which one is it? Which one's the truth? Which one's a lie? Option 1, 3x minus 3. Option 2, 3x plus 7. Which one is it? Boom. Option A. Good job, I think. I don't know what you guessed. But I think you guessed this one. Because if you saw the pattern, it's whichever thing can be divided by something. You divide it by that something, and there is your answer, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and this has been Mr. Kyle at MyersMathematics.com, which is my website that you can go to, and you can book a tutoring session. And later on, I'm going to put full-on courses, a whole Algebra 1 course. Just take the whole course. It's going to be great. Alright, later. Hey, I almost forgot to tell you guys what the answer was. The answer, right, to true truth and a lie was number 3. Number 3 was the false one. The third thing I told you. I'm not 32.